VeloX Data Migration Studio is a desktop application designed for data migration and data acquisition. It supports different cloud and on-premise software systems and platforms. Some of the well-known systems are SAP ECC and SAP S/4HANA, Oracle, Salesforce, Microsoft Azure Cloud, Google Cloud, and many more. To support all these different platforms, VeloX Data Migration Studio comes with its own system of plugins that can be easily extended by the end users. For example, there is a series of plugins that support different objects in SAP, such as Material Master, Bill of Material, Change Master, Document Info Record, RD Recipe, Specification, etc. The same for Salesforce and other platforms. Python programming language can be used to create custom plugins with unlimited functionality. Let's take a look at one example of creating SAP Material Master from Excel spreadsheet. There are 3 easy steps. Step 1. Run VeloXm Designer and create a new project. To define source data, move Excel Import plugin from the left side panel to the Mapping Editor area using drag and drop. Select an Excel template file with defined data from your local or network drive. You can also select multiple files at once. No specific Excel template required. File structure can be defined by the user. In Excel template, you can define any number of columns and rows and fill them with the necessary data required for your scenario. The Excel Import plugin represents fields from the Excel template data source file you previously defined. Each Excel block represents Excel template field, and it has additional settings such as key field, max length. Step 2. Run Material Master plugin. Once source data has been defined, move SAP Material Master plugin to the Mapping Editor area. Select a target SAP system and log in. Once Material Master plugin has connected to a target SAP system, define the necessary plugins parameters. For Material Master plugin, select Material Type. The Material Master plugin represents fields from SAP Material Master Business Object, such as BAPI input parameters and database tables, where you can choose material attributes such as material type, description, industry sector, base unit of measure, etc. Just select all the necessary Material Master attributes for your migration or data load scenario. Once all Material Master attributes have been selected, you can map Excel template source fields to SAP Material Master plugin fields. VeloX Data Migration Tool is based on a drag-and-drop Visual Data Mapping Interface, VDMI, which allows you to map any fields of SAP Business Object to an Excel template, create any complex migration scenarios on the fly, and save them as projects. Step 3. Execute data load and analyze result. Once mapping has been completed, you can run the data load process in simulation mode. VeloXm simulation mode can analyze data readiness before even starting the migration process to reduce migration time and resources load. The system creates a detailed technical log. Once simulation mode has been completed, the data load process can be started. Analyze Log in Excel generates the Excel file with a detailed log report. All data load reports can be downloaded as Excel files. Once the data load process has been completed, you can open the created SAP materials from VeloXm Studio without logging into the SAP system. Let us summarize. In just 3 easy steps, you can create any complex data load scenarios on the fly, instead of developing custom data load programs. Please contact us for more information.